various department of a country is given a leader. That is, there will be a specific leader of that specific party who will be given that department. Education department, you have natural disaster department. So like this, everyone will take one responsibility, which will who will carry out the governance. Playing opposition, a party which does not get majority come under the majority coalition. They need to play the role of opposition. So who those one specific political group which is not being selected, which is not having majority vote, so that group is called as the opposition of the majority group. Shaping public opinion, they shape the public opinion, and they do so by raising and highlighting issues in legislature and in the media. Access to the government machinery and welfare schemes. Parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes, since it is easy to approach local party leader than government officers. So it's not possible to directly go and reach the government officers. Instead, what people do is they go and meet the party leaders with their issues in order to rectify those issues. Different party systems. One party system. So under different party system, you have the first one, which is one party system. In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called as one party system. For example, in China, only the Communist Party is allowed to rule. That is only one party is allowed to control the whole government of that country. So that is called as one party system. For example, you have China. Then comes the two party system. In some countries, power is shared between two main parties. Such party system is called as two party system. There are only two parties among which the governance should be selected. So whichever party is winning, that party will be the responsible one for running the government. So the United States of America and the United Kingdom are the examples of two party system. And there are multiple party system, which is in which several parties compete for power and more than two parties have reasonable chance of winning. We call it as multi-party system. In India, we have multi-party system. As you know, there are different parties in India, and they all register themselves for the election, and they all stand for the election, and whoever is going to be selected by the voters, they will get the power. Since multi-party system tend to offer more choices to the voters, it is often considered better than the other party systems. So you have multi-party system in which you have many people competing with each other. So options are more. That is why people go for multi-party system, and they also feel that it is beneficiary than the other two, one or two party system. So comparison between two party system and multi-party system, you have two party system present